All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about what ESOs say versus what they mean. That term goes back to the old days of IATN. I didn't coin it, wasn't me, somebody else, but it means evil shop owners. So we're going to talk about what they say versus what they really mean. I'd like to say this is a parody video, but it's not. But hopefully you find it humorous. We're family. We all know what that means. It means literally nothing. It means we're still going to screw you over. We're still going to do all the crap we're going to do, but we're going to make you feel better about it by calling you family. Same goes for we need a team player. Team player really just means they're going to screw you over, but we're a team here, so thanks for taking one for the team. And take the next one for the team. And the next one. And the next one. Help me out on this one. I'm screwing you over, and thanks. You know, whether it's, oh, can you put this car up on the lift real quick and check this? Can you pull codes on this car? Can you do this? Can you do this? No, I don't have a ticket. No, I don't have, I'm not paying you for it. In an hourly shop, yeah, they're losing money, but it's their money to lose. In a flat rate shop, it's costing literally the tax. So, you know, go back to that team player and not wanting to not get screwed over. But, you know, we're a team here, so we got to do what's best for the team. I'll get you on the next one. They always say that. They never do. Self-explanatory. They always tell you they're going to get you on the next one. I'll make it up on the next one. All the variations thereof, and they never do. Oh man, I can't get diag out of this customer. Can you please just, you know, figure out what it is and we'll, you know, work something out. Never do. I mean, they just never do. Here's a big one. I got to have this car today. I need to have this done today. Translation, the customer's not picking it up for 2 days. I can't believe how many times I've been told that, and literally the car sat for multiple days. Had to be done by that day. Knocked it out. It sat for a week. So whenever a service writer or manager or shop owner tells me it has to be done today, you know what? You want to build trust, make sure that car leaves. Because I've seen way too many times where it doesn't. Help me out on this one. You're getting screwed. Just what it means. It's simple as that. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.